Hi everybody, this is my Food for Less and CVS haul for July 5th, 2013. So we're going to start off with Food for Less. They continued their buy 4 save 4 deal that I did last week. So I went in with the $1 off Old Spice coupons and the $1 off any secret deodorant coupons that came in last Sunday's newspaper. I also used a $1 off of 2 Windex products and 2 more Febrezes. So let me show you this on a receipt. Any day now. Okay, the baby just bit me. Anyway, alright, so the secret deodorants as well as the Old Spice was $2.28 regular price. Sorry for the shaking, the baby's on my leg there, so he's rocking me. But they were $2.28 with the store $1 off coupon, well not coupon, but the buy 4 save 4 deal, which you see the negative dollars right there, bring it to $1.48. And then with the $1 off coupons, manufacturer coupons, brings them down to 48 cents each. As far as the Febrezes, they are $2.78 with the $1 off $1.78, and the $1 off, the $1.50 off coupon brings them to 28 cents. Those are all my coupons scanned, manufacturer coupons, and it just tells you my total with tax, which was $6.14, but it came to $4.80 was the total before tax. So that was my subtotal. Then as far as CVS, I got lucky and I was kind of disappointed. So anyway, I'll explain it to you guys. I went in thinking I was going to start off with buying 4 soft soaps, not realizing that, of course, CVS always has their limit. The limit was 1. So I bought all 4, used all 4 of my coupons, and only $1 $2 ECB printed out. So what I ended up doing was returning it. She gave me a money card with $8 and something on it because I used a $10 ECB to pay for them, and I paid $1.55 out of pocket. So I got the $1.55 back, and she gave me $8 on a money card because I did decide to keep one of them, which kind of played in my favor because I did not pay anything out of pocket for any of this stuff. As well as you guys know, when you use an ECB, you have to have your total equal up to that amount. So when she transferred it onto a money card, I got to use the money card like money. So I was kind of happy about that. I did another soft soap on my husband's card, and I did the Secret Clinical and all 4 Almays together. How I did that with the Almay, I used two $4 off 12 CVS Redbox coupons and 4 $4 off Almay products. Let me show you guys the receipt. Okay, so we have the Secret Outlast was $4. I used a $1 off coupon for that. The Almay ringing up at $8.49. And then the second one, $3.99. The same with the $7.99 one. And then the 50% off for the $3.74 on the next Almay because they were buy one, get one $50, as you see right there. These are all my coupons. These are the $4 off 12 CVS manufacturer coupons, and these are all my manufacturer coupons. The $3 off any Secret Outlast, and the $4 Almay coupons, bringing my total down to $121. Well, yeah, subtotal down to $121, and then my total down. He is biting my leg. And then my total down to $347. I lost focus. There we go. $347, and he's still chowing. I swear, he's chowing down my leg. See, he's getting me. Just so you guys. Hi, Junior. Say, I'm biting mommy. I'm biting her. Okay. So anyway, brought it down to $3.47, and I paid with the money card. I also bought the other soft soap with the money card. So, and I still have $1 something left on there. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket for this stuff. The Almay deal is a really good deal if you like that makeup. Come on. If you like that makeup, it's a really good deal because you pay, you know, really nothing out of pocket if you have that CVS Redbox coupon. And you can kind of match it up with some CoverGirl or something. We got some CoverGirl coupons. But yeah, the buy one, get one 50 with the $4 off coupons. Yeah, it's a really good deal. You guys should check it out. So, all right. So that's it for today. My Food for Less haul and my CVS haul. My store only had 2 of the clinical deodorants, so I gave one to my couponing buddy. So I think I'm going to get a rain check on those. But everybody have a good day. Bye.